In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Microsoft Edge sync data. Whether you're troubleshooting sync issues or simply want to start fresh, deleting your sync data can be an effective step. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Edge on your device. It's the starting point for accessing the settings you'll need. If you're already a regular user, you're probably familiar with the layout. Once you have Microsoft Edge open, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon which represents settings and more. Go ahead and click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From that drop-down list, locate and select Settings. This will bring you into the main settings interface for Microsoft Edge. On the left-hand sidebar of this settings page, you'll see a list of categories. You should click on Profiles, which usually contains all your account-related configurations and personal preferences. Once you're viewing the Profiles section, find your account information displayed prominently. Right there, you'll see an option labeled Sync. Clicking this will bring up all the data types that you've chosen to sync across your devices, such as your favorites, settings, and personal info. These are individual options and are typically switched on by default to ensure continuity across platforms. Now, to proceed with deleting your sync data, start by toggling off all these options. Look for the switch next to each item, such as favorites, settings, personal info, among others. Make sure that each switch is turned off. By doing this, you're effectively breaking the link between the data stored on your device and the Microsoft servers for synchronization purposes. After you've toggled all the options off, scroll down a bit until you find the section titled Resync Data to this device. It's time to give this a try. Click on the resync button you find here. Doing so initiates a resynchronization process which can help resolve minor syncing issues without affecting your data on Microsoft servers. However, if resyncing does not resolve your problems, or if you still wish to start anew, there's another step you can take. You can perform a reset of all sync data stored on Microsoft servers. For this, locate and click on the option that reads Reset Sync from Microsoft servers. Confirm this action by selecting Reset Sync. This step will remove all synced data from the cloud, allowing you to begin from scratch with your synchronization. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have successfully deleted your Microsoft Edge sync data, ready to start afresh or continue troubleshooting as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.